On today's episode, we're using the shaper origin again. And on the project we're working on, we're installing AZIC material. It's like a styrofoam material that doesn't take up water. So we have this client in Montecito that decided, hey, I want to have paneling inside my shower. So we came up with a solution to do paneling inside, but the electricians decided that we need an air switch to turn off and on the lights in the shower. So here's the air switch. There's a nut behind here, but we don't just drill an 1.25 inch hole. We have to actually make a puzzle piece to get access to this nut in the future in case this air switch goes out. So that's what we're making today. We're making a puzzle piece that goes inside of this siding, of this paneling, so that we can remove this air switch in the future. So follow us, and you can see how we use our shaper origin for this application. Here I'm cutting outside, outside 0.01 quarter to offset.